Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing cheap steaks. Let's get to it. All right, one of my most popular videos was how to turn a $5 steak into a $35 steak, and we did that through sous vide. Today, we are doing it through seasoning. Will Monterey or Nativo's, will that make the steak unbelievable through taste, through spices? And then we're gonna have our control steak, which is gonna be just good old salt and pepper. So we're gonna find out. Let's get to it. All right, I really like this brand, Nativo. Everything I've tried by them has been delicious. He's an Argentine chef, and he can cook his butt off. Did you hear that? Butt off. He's good. And his spices are really good.
Why did it say it 2 times?
Sometimes you just gotta say 2 times.
And you make it clear?
Make it clear.
Oh my God.
So the other thing, I never ever put Monterey steak seasoning. I like it. I don't have a problem with it, but I'm such a purist. I always think I gotta put just salt and pepper. That's what I gotta do. So whenever I break out any other spices, I get super nervous.
Is that salt?
This is salt.
Oh my God.
Do you ever get nervous when you're cooking?
Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, we both share
I
that.
don't know. I've never got nervous.
Okay, we are going to add these spices to see if this can make a $5 steak into a much better steak, or is salt and pepper really the only thing you need? You know the drill. We're going to do a tasting at the end of this, and we're gonna get Aaron and Hannah, Parker, and myself. We're gonna give an honest feedback.
But I'm already here.
She's already here. We're gonna give an honest feedback if it really made it that much better. What else you gotta say?
All the people out there, stay safe and healthy.
Stay safe and healthy. If you haven't subscribed already, click on that button down there to subscribe and share with your friends so they know, is this the best way to make a steak even better?
Hit the like.
Hit that like. Let's do that.
Hit that subscribe button.
Hit that subscribe button.
And hit the bell.
Hit the bell. What happens when you hit the bell?
You subscribe to our channel. Oh my God, I messed up.
All right, let's get cooking. That's right, we are not going sous vide today. Fogo charcoal. They sent this to me and I've been dying for an excuse to try it. So might as well be the day, trying to turn these steaks into something incredible. Make sure to check out Fogo. That dude, Sebastian, awesome guy. Everybody I've talked to says it's by far their favorite. I'm looking forward to trying this. Guys, I am uber impressed with Fogo already. My Weber has never even gotten close to 500 degrees before. I normally use cowboy charcoal. Normally, after I put it the exact same amount, I'm at 300 degrees, and I really have to load it up with more charcoal to get it going even higher. So this is really impressive. Awesome job, Fogo. So I'm a little nervous right now because my grill normally runs between 280 to like 350. And I do a reverse sear. This thing is piping hot for what I'm used to cooking with. So I'm gonna try to, damper this down to get it to the temperature because I want to do a reverse sear. But damn, Fogo, crushing it, dude. We're hungry. We're gonna jump right in. We have steak A, steak B, steak C. Family, let's go. Steak A. The viewers want to know: did the seasoning, no salt yet?
Oh my god.
No salt yet.
Okay, that's delicious. That just immediately, the flavor was nice. I just fell in love with it immediately.
What do you think, P?
I like it.
It's really hard and it's really hot. Is it?
I personally like the texture. It's like my preferable, not too
good.
beefy, but not too like soft and squishy either.
All right, so that's a perfectly cooked steak. We reverse seared it and then seared. You know how it works. You saw the video. I like it. That's all you're gonna give me?
Yeah, I like it. Tiny bit dry actually.
Yeah.
There is a bit that.
These are super cheap steaks.
Okay.
So all three of these cost $8. So less than, I'm not gonna do that math right now. Let's go to steak B.
I could too.
All right, off the bat, that one's like definitely tougher and had a lot less flavor.
It's more about the seasoning than the actual steak. I'm not worried. These are cheap steaks.
It's like smoked mesquite-ish.
Yeah. So this has hint of other, I can't put my finger on it, but it does have hints of other spices. You know, they
Yeah,
cut
I
that
do
smaller
like
Parker.
the taste of the
That's
first
smaller.
one. If we're looking at
Here.
the spice.
Overall, that first one, that was amazing. That was better than some of those like $50 steaks we've had. I could eat that all day.
Oh, it's amazing. And it's like really soft and like really chewy, so.
I can't believe you're chewing with missing 2 teeth.
Don't show the camera your food.
Too late.
Too late. All right, so far steak A.
Yeah.
Steak B was good. It didn't knock my socks off this time though.
So they're all cheap steaks?
They're all the same type of cheap sirloin choice, top sirloin.
That one had like a bit more flavor, but it was very dry, tougher than the first two, but it's still a good kind of tough. And take A takes a cake
A.
by a long
You
shot.
didn't even try C. I think that's still B.
She
Okay.
doesn't need to. A was just that good.
All right. So A was salt and pepper, and we are a salt and pepper household. That's why we never use Monterey. B was nativos. I have used nativos a lot in the past month, and I will say it is delicious. For this steak though, I think because it was just such a cheap steak and a tough steak, you couldn't get the seasoning
And the flavor.
and the flavor because the toughness of the steak just really, overwhelmed you. While C was Monterey seasoning, and that's their steak sauce. I actually never looked at what it's called. I think it's just their steak sauce.
Oh my God. Mine.
This is mine.
Yeah, it's Monterey steak seasoning. My dad used this growing up. Salt and pepper. We're just a salt and pepper household. It's, tried and true, and it's just our favorite way to cook it. I will keep experimenting with other seasonings, but for this,
Montreal.
This is going to be embarrassing. I said it wrong the whole time. Montreal steak
Montreal
seasoning.
steak.
That's what happens when you're filming people. You're worried about so many other things that you forget how to talk.
Oh,
And you forget how to read.
Excuses. Just admit
Got
you
more.
pronounced it wrong
Got
because
more.
you can't read.
I can't read. All right, steak A was the winner. If you want to see more of these type of goofy videos and experiments, by all means, give us a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification. You all have a great day. Thank you. All right, so we are going to do, I messed up.
I lost both of my teeth and I lost them on the same day. It was really cool.
Give them a big smile. Let them see. Are you ready to eat steaks today?
Yeah, because I lost my teeth
She lost her teeth, so how are you going to chew your steak?
on my side.
Yeah,
Or in the middle.
that works.